Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we will explore CoreWeave Class A common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 6th of June, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the first day of May in the year 2025, our system has categorized CoreWeave Class A common stock as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.33. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 216.25% since we initially suggested purchasing CoreWeave Class A common stock just 26 days ago. This result equates to an average return of 8.32% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within our broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a continued increase within this trend is anticipated. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock features the headline, Green Day on Friday for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price increased by 3.78% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, climbing from $135.05 to $140.16. During that trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.36%, with a low of $138.59 and a high of $148.79. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has gone up by 39.94% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last trading day by 27 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares exchanged for approximately $3.22 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $166.60, while the lowest price was $33.52. Currently, the price sits at 15.87%, or $26.44, below the 52-week high of $166.60, which is also the all-time high for this stock. CoreWeave, traded under the ticker symbol CRWV, is making significant strides in the artificial intelligence cloud infrastructure sector. The company has been given a buy rating, owing to its strong competitive advantages, robust data center infrastructure, and long-term contracts that encourage customer loyalty. Recent collaborations with major players, such as OpenAI, highlight its substantial growth potential. Analysts anticipate rapid revenue growth through the fiscal year 2028, fueled by a booming AI infrastructure market and gradual margin expansion, despite considerable capital expenditures. Since its initial public offering in March at $40 per share, CRWV has experienced impressive performance, surging over 290% to current levels near $156. However, there has been recent volatility, with shares experiencing a notable decline of 17.25% as the broader market faced pressures. This fluctuation reveals the stock's sensitivity to market trends and investor sentiment. In the short term, CoreWeave's recent partnerships and strong earnings forecast could contribute to price stability or recovery as market confidence strengthens. Conversely, ongoing market volatility may present risks. For long-term investors, the extensive growth anticipated in AI infrastructure could lead to sustained appreciation in CRWV stock, making it an attractive option in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. Overall, the interplay of market dynamics and CoreWeave's strategic positioning are essential factors influencing its stock trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform grade with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave's Class A common stock. CoreWeave Incorporated's Class A common stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. On downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $132.26 and $77.53. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advised. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 14.06%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots recorded a sell signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average showed a sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 25 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave. Class A common stock. CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $135.05. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is regarded as very high risk. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $10.20 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.36%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a negative 230 cents. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave, Class A common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $150.48. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock faces its first support level at $135.5. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by McB Brannan, who bought and sold 2,058,060 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the last 23 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 49.047. In total, insiders purchased 2,287,739 shares and sold 649,361 shares during the last 23 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $132.96, reflecting a decrease of 5.14%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces substantial risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good investment? CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy opportunity at this moment. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors should maintain their positions or accumulate more while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we anticipate that CoreWeave Class A common stock will open higher by $2.35, beginning trading at a price of $142.51. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.